cemetery again. I'm here with my friend. His name's Joe. We're here at the cemetery once again, and we're here visiting his daughter's friend, Sarah. So would you like to explain who Sarah is?
Yeah, so Sarah, otherwise known by her parents' praise name, Sarita in Spanish, she passed away a few years ago due to a choking hazard at her elementary school that she was attending at the time. So yeah, she ended up choking, and so nobody was qualified to do a CPR. You know, she just eventually passed away. You know, my daughters, they had some encounters with her ghost some weeks after her passing. So you know, I'm out here again years later and trying to see if we could get a response from her, since she's always in her thoughts. So we're gonna see how it goes tonight and see what you know, we could scoop up.
Alrighty, so we're gonna be looking for Sarah if her voice comes through. So we're gonna turn on the shack hack right now and see if we can get Sarah to come through and see if she can answer some questions for us tonight. Alrighty, Sarah, if you're here with us, my name's Miguel. I'm pretty sure you don't know who I am, obviously, but I'm a friend of your friend's father, and I just wanted to see if I could come and communicate with you today. It's very nice to meet you, but if you're here with us and you can hear my voice, just trying to use this device, this little box that I have right here on top of your little tomb here, to see if you can try to use this to communicate with me, okay? So you don't have to be afraid. This is not going to hurt you. This will not hurt you at all. It's just to see if we can hear your voice, okay? And we can hear you in real time. So I'm gonna turn the box on now, okay?
Sarah, hello, Sarah.
I heard a man say hello.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello, Sarah.
Patty? That's my mom's name. Hello.
Hello, everyone. We were looking for little Sarah, Sarita.
Who are you?
Sarah, if you're here, can you say hi? Sarita,
Heard now.
say hi for us, would you, Sarita? Hola, Sarita.
Heard so much hi. You hear that? Sarah, if you're here with us, can you say your name, please? Sarah, you're here?
Do you remember why you passed? Do you remember you choked on something? Remember it was a hot dog? Can you say hot dog?
That sounded like hot dog.
Yeah.
Energy. I think I just heard something called "You're Miguel." They say my name a lot. Hello.
Hello.
Yo, Chuck.
Sarah. Where you at, Mama?
In the car.
Really, bro?
That's the vehicle. Do you want us to leave? Yes or no? So I said, don't we?
Are you guys happy here?
Yes.
Is Sarah here? The little girl?
Say yes.
Sarah, where are you? Josie, Brianna, and Margaret say hi. Do you remember those names? You guys have a beautiful view here. Do you guys enjoy this?
I do. Back ourselves. Alright, so we're gonna end the spirit box session now, okay?
For the rest of your days.
Alright, thank you.